Most people don't have a hydration problem. They actually have a digestion and inflammation problem, and they're trying to fix it with coffee. There was a root that has been used for literally thousands of years across cultures that have never met each other, and they've all ended up making the same drink. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ginger water properly, when to drink it, and why people keep coming back for it once they start. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's actually a rhizome, which means it's an underground stem. The plant stores its energy and protective compounds inside the root, and these compounds are what we're extracting into the water. The main ingredients or compounds are gingerols or shogols. These are what give ginger its warmth, its smell, and also why it affects the stomach, the circulation, and immune response. You can literally smell that medicine. This is why people end up loving ginger water. It addresses a cluster of everyday problems: bloating, sluggish digestion, cold hands and feet, feeling heavy after meals, morning nausea, and that foggy feeling inside your body. It doesn't force your body to do anything, it stimulates systems your body already has. Here is the mistake that most people make. They boil it hard for 30 seconds and they think that they have made the ginger tea. You didn't. You'll notice the color changes to a soft golden yellow. That's when you know you've actually extracted the goods. And for a little extra boost and taste, try slicing pineapple and adding it. Beautiful mint from your garden. It'll top that beautiful ginger drink right off. It's warm, spicy, and oddly comforting. Not sugary, not bitter. More like a gentle internal warmth. Body actually recognizes it as food, not stimulation. It doesn't replace medicine, but it supports normal body function. Think of it as giving your body better working conditions. Some people also use ginger alongside wellness routines during serious illness because of its antioxidant activity, but it's not a cure or treatment and shouldn't replace medical care. Your digestive system is actually your body's command center. If digestion flows, your energy drops, immune responses weakens, inflammation rises. Ginger stimulates saliva, stomach acid, and gut movement. Basically, it tells your body, good is coming, prepare. Ginger is generally safe, but you should be cautious if you're on blood thinners, you have gallbladder conditions, or you're pregnant. Then you just have to ask your healthcare provider first. Always start small, try half a cup first. This is one of the most simplest herbal practices you can add to your life. You don't have to forge it. You don't need special equipment, and you'll know quickly if your body likes it. Sometimes wellness isn't complicated. Sometimes it's a root, warm water, and 15 minutes. Subscribe if you enjoy herbal skills and learning to work with your body, not against it. And I'll see you outside on the trails.